Welcome to AP 2020 Outdoor Shooting Range. Hi folks, just out here in the field of dreams. Howdy folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Welcome to the middle section of the AP 2020 Outdoors Shooting Range. Look at this, I got my lab set up right in the middle of this field. You know, if you guys are familiar with my YouTube channel, when I do the high-speed video camera work, I always had to rely upon my 400-watt power inverter. This would convert the 12-volt DC battery power from my truck to 120 volts AC. Well, not anymore. I've got the new GOLABS. This is the R300, 299 watt hour. This is a remote power supply. This thing's pretty awesome. Let's take a closer look. Stay tuned. All right, folks, so if we look at the GOLABS, I don't know if you can see this in the sunlight, but I'm showing a 99% battery. I've got 20 hours, and my device is just drawing about 5 to 7 watts of power. My Fluke 87 meter showing an output voltage of 114 volts AC. That's pretty awesome. So one thing nice about the GOLABS, you have DC and AC power sources. You actually have these 12 volt connectors. This is how you charge it with the input. Then you have USB as well. This is the USB 3.0. Pretty awesome. You also have these different types of connectors, PDW 30 watt and then PD 60 watt in and out. And of course you have the two AC 110 volt 300 watt max pure sine wave. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so this is part 2 of the GOLABS remote power source. I've got an old school Mossberg Ultimag. I've got this awesome Boyds furniture, Thumbhole, Sterling, camo finish, matching forearm. Okay, first up, I got some Remington 4-buck. These bad boys are gonna kick pretty hard, I'm sure. Here we go. Take safety off. Nice! Nothing like getting punished for science. Alright folks, one thing nice about this Boyds furniture, obviously the recoil pad, but the Thumbhole lets you get a better purchase on it. Hopefully you can help control the recoil. Okay, next up is the Light Field Hybrid 12 gauge deer slug. See how this works out. Nice! Okay, folks, last is a high brass number 6s. These ought to thump pretty good. Here we go. Not too bad. Alright folks, I think the Boyd was pretty awesome. Awesome Thumbhole. Boy, I tell you what, it's going to make an awesome turkey gun. Remember, support that Second Amendment. We'll see you later, and I thank you.